I tried Muun Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I tried the Muun Wallet app, I expected a simple Bitcoin wallet. But after 7 days, the shocking truth is that Muun is one of the smartest and most user-friendly Lightning wallets out there, and it might just be Bitcoin's best kept secret. Day 1 started strong. The app greeted me with a clean, minimal design and a focus on simplicity. No clutter, no unnecessary tokens, just Bitcoin. But the twist came when I learned Muun supports both on-chain and Lightning transactions, automatically deciding the best route for you. By day 2, I sent my first transaction. Most people get Lightning payments wrong. They think it's complex. But with Muun, it just works. Whether I was sending a few sats or a larger amount, transactions were instant and nearly free. Midweek, I tested its security features. Muun uses a 2-part backup system, a recovery code, and an email link. It's non-custodial, meaning you own your keys, but it still feels easy enough for beginners. And every transaction showed transparent fees, so I always knew what I was paying. On day 5, I tried using it offline. Here's the surprising part. Muun lets you create transactions without an internet connection, then broadcast them once you're back online. That's a rare feature that shows how well engineered the app really is. By day 7, I was genuinely impressed. The shocking truth: Muun isn't trying to reinvent Bitcoin, it's making it usable for everyday life. Instant payments, high security, and zero confusion. If you've been scared of Lightning wallets or thought they were too technical, Muun proves it doesn't have to be that way. It's the kind of app that quietly makes Bitcoin practical, and that's revolutionary in itself.